me as the owner and as the broker, if it doesn't save me time and headache, it's not worth it. And I can say that Total Brokerage absolutely saves me that time and headache. The system itself is so feature rich and has like everything you need. We essentially can run the entire brokerage just from a single platform. I use SkySlope, I've used Dotloop, you know, and from a compliance perspective, like once you start working inside of Total Brokerage, the compliance process is just substantially better. As we train our admins into the systems, we know that we only have to train them on one system. You know, we don't have to train them on 5 products or 4 products or 3 products. It reduces that learning curve extremely because they only have to learn one system, not 8, right? The idea that we didn't have to go get multiple products and learn how to integrate them and learn how to get them to play nice with each other, that was super appealing. Your support staff and your responsiveness, it blows everybody else out of the water. I never have to wait for answers to questions. I typically can't say enough good things about the product and the company and the team you put together and the way that you guys do things. I'll always tell people that it's an incredible system to use and that it makes my life infinitely easier. The product just continues to get better. I don't want to switch to anybody else ever.